Hello everyone. Today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a user experience design course by Bapu Graphics, and it's not a UI UX course, but it's a user experience design course, mainly focus on user experience, user research, testability, and this is the overview about the UI UX, and this is the user experience what they are going to teach you. 100% job placement is there, money back option is also there. Use in UX design, uh, interaction design, planning, publishing, and key responsibilities, jobs option after the UX design industry, and placement is there, testimonials is there. Just nothing else. Like no proper detailing about the fundamentals in terms of UI, as I told earlier, that it is not a proper UI UX course. It's mainly focused on user experience course. So I will not recommend this course because if you want to pursue a UI UX course, go with the institute which combine both in a single course, because taking a separate UI course different and UX course different is, and also they have not mentioned any tool related to designing, related to AI, related to research, analysis and all. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, structure is 0, UX fundamental is there, UI design quality is 0, hand-on project is 0, tools and software training is also 0, mentorship feedback is not there, portfolio development is there, placement and career support is also there, and the course values fees is 0.5 for me, and the industry relevance update is also 0.5 for me. So if we count down total, it's a 4 out of 10 course, and it's a average course. Like, I will not recommend this course because it's a separate course in terms of UI or UX. There are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters in this field. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there, which covers all the parameters in terms of placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.